All right, guys, we are in Santa Barbara, California, and I wanted to try a new restaurant in California. I mean, in Santa Barbara. And this is called Harry's Cafe. So I got a roast beef like dip. I got a French fries. I got a salad with Alon dressing. And it comes with this sauce. I'll show you the sauce. Believe it or not. Okay. So it's kind of hard to do a setup in a hotel room, and I don't know about the lighting, but I'll try this plain. Let's see how it tastes. All right, it's so good. This is really good quality roast beef. So the refrigerator just went on. Oh well. All right, let's try it out, guys. That is so good. Honestly, it's probably one of my favorite, or the best roast beef I've ever had. The roast beef is so tender. I've never had anything like it before, actually. It's really good. Now, this place reminds me of a place called Harry's Hot Bra. I think it's in Mountain View, California. Not for me. So they make like sandwiches with the beef. They make like the turkey and the beef all fresh. You can order sides. This came with like a salad and french fries. They also had spaghetti. But I was really craving something with salad. So I was like, you know, I want this and a salad. I know it comes with french fries already. I don't know if you guys can see the fries. Not really. Not really the best setup, but I was gonna eat outside, but it was just too dark, too crowded. I really wanted just to eat here. This hotel is really nice, guys. So I didn't tell you why I'm in Santa Barbara. Oh my God. Why do you think I'm in Santa Barbara, guys? Can anybody get this? All right, guys, the reason why I'm in Santa Barbara is because I wanted to do something special for my mom. Like, I don't know, my last trip, I really missed her, and I was like, man, I wish we can see each other, but I work so much. You know, she can only come out here once a year. It's like, then I thought, it'd be really cool to surprise her on her birthday. It'd be really cool. I think it'd be really cool, right? And I thought about it, I go, well, damn, her birthday's on a freaking Monday. I don't know how I'm gonna get all this time off, because it takes me, I mean, for me to go to Santa Barbara, it's take me 10 hours, all the stops, because I can't just drive straight. And it's just a lot of driving. I go, how am I going to do that? I was telling my brother, Uncle Kevin, you know what? I think I want to surprise my mom for her birthday, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to do it. I don't think it's going to work. Her birthday's on a Monday. He's like, oh my God. He's like, oh my God, that'd be so cool. You should, Karen, you should totally do it. I'm like, I don't know. The only if he could do it, if he could celebrate her birthday like on a Saturday or Sunday, maybe a Sunday. And he's like, yeah, let's do it on Sunday night, you know, because her birthday's on a Monday and he goes to school on Monday night, so it's perfect, you know. We can go out to eat. So guys, that's my plan. I'm gonna surprise my mom on her birthday. I want to go live. Oh my God, it's so hard not to go live. I want to go live so bad, but if I go live, she'll see my video and she'll know what's up. It won't be a big surprise if, you know, she's there. So it won't be a really big surprise if I show up, if she knows I'm in Santa Monica or if I'm in Santa Barbara or whatever. So that I am so big, yeah, super excited. My brother has reservations at 4 p.m. at Black Angus. We're gonna have an early dinner, or I think it's 5 p.m. 4 or 5. We're gonna have an early dinner at 4 p.m. And I want to surprise her, and she is gonna flip. Oh my God, I want to try to video it, give it to. Yeah, she's being so surprised because we both agree that it's not worth for me driving all the way over there. The drive is so long. It'll take me all day driving. Might as well just do half day. That's why I'm in Santa Barbara. It's about halfway to Santa Barbara. I mean to San Diego. And we both agreed that taking a plane is actually cheaper because I don't have to rent all these hotel rooms. And I would see my mom a lot more because I don't have to do all this driving. So she knows, she finds out I drive, she's gonna be so shocked. I just can't wait to see her reaction. She's gonna be like, oh, I can't wait. I think she's gonna be so surprised. No, I'm so excited. And guys, I think there is a breakfast buffet here tomorrow. Now, I've been to a Pismo Beach hotel and they didn't do any breakfast because of COVID. Most hotels are not doing breakfast buffets. Some of them are doing breakfast bags. They're swimming, people are swimming it, and I've never seen that before in a COVID hotel. So, yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what kind of breakfast I'm gonna get tomorrow. I think it's gonna make this trip worthwhile. All right, let's try some of the salad. I got salad dressing. Salad looks pretty good. I like this dressing, it's really thick. Oh, too thick. I was planning to meet Joel in Santa Monica because I'll have a couple hours of free time before I get to San Diego. The problem is I don't know what we're going to do. I don't want to do a live video with Joel because my mom might see the video, and if she just followed me on YouTube, and if she sees the video, it won't be much of a surprise when I come out to see her. So I wanted to be really surprised. So Joe wanted to have lunch, and I'm like, I don't know if I can eat lunch tomorrow because I have at 4 p.m. we have a dinner, a big dinner. It's Black Angus steak, like lobster, shrimp. Like it's gonna be a big dinner, and I want to see my appetite for that. I don't want to eat and not be hungry for this big lunch because it's gonna, or dinner, because it's gonna be kind of expensive. So after I eat this, I'm gonna call him and say, what do you want to do? I can tell he wants to do a video really bad, but I don't know. I don't really want to eat anything, so we could do coffee. But we can't really do live because my mom might see the video. So it's like, I don't know what to do. So when I see my mom tomorrow, I'll leave the next day, and I'm hoping to see Joel. Sorry, I'm gonna pass him to go to Pismo Beach. I'm staying back at Pismo Beach, and hopefully I'm sure we can do it live. Maybe we can have lunch and do it live, but I don't know about tomorrow. It's really hard. To see if you're Santa Barbara, this is a really good place. Cafe's Grill. I mean Harry's Cafe. The salad's really fresh. Tastes fresh. Good quality food. The roast beef is really good quality. Yeah, the salads are really good. back to the sound. So I did have to, because of this trip, I did have to call out at Walmart. I'm getting 2 points, but I think it's worth it. As long as I'm not sick, I don't call out anymore. I hardly ever get sick, like hardly ever. So it should be fun. Let's have car trouble. So I'm over at a place called Comfort Inn, and it's a pretty good hotel. It's very quiet, very quiet. I haven't heard any kids. It's really interesting. Pismo Beach Hotel was right on the beach. It was kind of loud, honestly. A lot of people, not a lot of people here. It was really, really hard to find a cheap hotel in Santa Barbara. I looked. The cheaper hotel was like around 100, 150. I read the reviews. They had ant problems. There was bed bug. People would show big spiders. They said the air conditioning didn't work. There's a lot of issues. Like, no, I wanted to, what's $30 extra like? So what's like $30, $50 extra? I was want to spend a nice hotel where it's kind of quiet, and so this is close to the restaurants in it's on State Street. Apparently, in Santa Barbara, it's like the downtown section of restaurants. So, but I don't know. Honestly, I'm not gonna have much time to visit, and I came here. I left today at 11 a.m. because this took me a while to get ready. I wanted to make sure my house was spotless because I love when I go on vacation and come back to a nice clean house. That was really hard. I had to clean my house, just make sure everything was spotless. I had to work last night, so I couldn't do much last night. So I left at 11, got here around 5:30. I think I took 2 breaks. That was pretty good, I think. Now, if I see Jill tomorrow in Santa Monica, that's only 2 hours. It's not too bad. And from Santa Monica to San Diego, it's only 2 hours. So that's not too bad at all. But getting here took a long time to get here. But I'm excited for my breakfast buffet. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Should be fun. I am so behind in videos, oh my god. So I think when I get back, I'm not going to do any videos for a while. This is a live video because I've just been so behind. I don't have enough time to edit all these videos, guys. From my bite in the video, I think it's getting full. There's a lot of beef in here, a lot of roast beef. But yeah, I wanted to do a special video for you guys. All right, guys, I'm pretty full right now. I don't want to get too full because I have a long day tomorrow of eating, and I want to make sure I'm hungry for the breakfast buffet tomorrow. I'm gonna give you guys not probably a mukbang, but maybe like a little review. But thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.